Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet red rosy cheeks of Pikachu rosy cheeks.
Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch.
Now see, this is how Pikachu rosy cheeks look like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And those who have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I will request you to please do subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Plus many videos are already there on my YouTube channel with all written instructions. So thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.